You guys suck. Auntie Jen doesn't have any defense. Hey, sure. Get the person that's.
Oh, you got. Oh yeah, Papa. Oh no.
I sense a theme here. Undefended means.
Mine's running out.
Is Greg getting payback from last year?
I know, eh?
Mine is running out.
Well, that's what happens. It only works for so long. I only have one for everybody, honey. I didn't even get one. Oh, Greg's getting payback.
Oh, my spray's not working. Oh, I'm out of it. I'm all air.
If you think I'm going to feel sorry for you, Mom, you've got another thing coming.
Don't tell anybody you're out.
Christian, give some more to Rogan.
Rogan.
Wanted to do another one.
Go take your dad's. That's a good look for you, Greg.
Oh, I get the empty one, do I?
Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh, you.
Obviously, there's no honor here when